The incident that took place involving our healthcare worker must be condemned as a heinous, brutal act. And we must ensure that the law takes its course and the or perpetrator should be punished to the full extent of the law. At this point, the health system through the University Hospital of the West Indies is providing care to our healthcare worker, and I've reached out to her relatives and will continue to offer whatever support is necessary for her full and speedy recovery. In the meantime, I urge all of us to recognize the importance of our healthcare workers, the essential nature of the service they provide, the fact that they have to be on the roads at all hours, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and that we provide the support that is required of them to get to work on time and to help them to achieve the life-saving purpose for which they were trained and that they're committed to. Again, I condemn this act and hope that the consequences of those actions demonstrate in the full extent why this is unacceptable, while we continue to give support for the full recovery of our healthcare worker.
Okay, boom, people. Just want to give you a little update on this individual you see next to the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness. Yes, Andy Bell. The police have gotten to him. People is crying out for the FLA to revoke his firearm. As you know, people from lately, people of high power in society of status has seemed to be abusing and has all been caught on camera. You can go up on my next channel, King Mix Up, and check out. Or the police did a beat up and pepper spray to UK tourists. Yeah, but as you heard in the beginning of the video, chairman of the doctor people and nurses said this is unacceptable. Nurses is the people that everybody relies on when we or one of our family members, end up in a FIDEM possession, you see what I say. And after seeing this video go viral, another woman is claiming to have experienced a similar incident to the man seen in the video assaulting a nurse in Mount Airy, St. Andrew. Recently, she recounted the experience on Cliff Hughes online on Friday. The woman, who says she is a registered nurse, says when she attempted to go around the Mercedes-Benz, which was blocking her vehicle, the driver exited the car and brandished the firearm. Put in the comment section what you think about that, because it seems like the people who really need a license, peace in Jamaica, can't get it. And all sort of madman and type of people have it. Anyway, people, I'm just giving an update while I go on for it to go on. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest one. Bless.